Hello there, this is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If it's your first time, I urge you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I happen to post a video, you happen to be alerted. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually claim Ethereum on Binance. Pretty soon they'll actually be dropping an airdrop. So what you do is you first of all get to log on to your account, which is a Binance account. After you do that, let me show you. You need to click a particular link. So now what you do is you click in the bottom right corner where it reads wallets, and when you're here, you make sure you click spot, then you swipe up, baby, till you find ETHFI. Come on. Okay, so there it is. I hope you're able to see that. ETHFI. Click it. It's saying spot balance. Okay, beautiful. So now you click deposit crypto. Okay, awesome. And you go by Ethereum 20. Click there and then copy the wallet, baby. Copy the wallet. Then what you do is you need to head back to the description section, then you click this address which is here, and there we go. We are on the ride, baby. Network is pretty slow. It's loading. Okay, so now after it loads, this is what you're gonna see. So what you need to do is you click airdrop and then paste in your address here. Boom, and then click submit.